میرا نام بہادر علی.
آپ کی برتھ ڈیٹ کیا ہے؟
میری 17/12/1995.
آپ کہاں کے رہنے والے ہیں؟
میں جیا بگا گاؤں کا رہنے والا ہوں. تحصیل میری رائے بھی ہے اور ضلع لاہور پاکستان کا ہوں.
آپ نے ٹریننگ کہاں حاصل کی؟
ہم نے ٹریننگ مظفر آباد سے تقریباً 9 گھنٹے سفر کرنے کے بعد وہاں پہ حاصل کی, مگر جگہ معلوم نہیں ہے. تو 21 دن کی ہم نے 1 ماہ کی ٹریننگ کی ہے.
نام کیا ہے؟
میرا نام بہادر علی.
آپ کی برتھ ڈیٹ کیا ہے؟
میری 17/12/1995.
آپ کہاں کے رہنے والے ہیں؟
میں جیا بگا گاؤں کا رہنے والا ہوں. تحصیل میری رائے بھی ہے اور ضلع لاہور پاکستان کا ہوں.
آپ نے ٹریننگ کہاں حاصل کی؟
ہم نے ٹریننگ مظفر آباد سے تقریباً 9 گھنٹے سفر کرنے کے بعد وہاں پہ حاصل کی, مگر جگہ معلوم نہیں ہے. تو 21 دن کی ہم نے 1 ماہ کی ٹریننگ کی ہے.
Right. My colleague Pradeep Datta is joining us live now for more on that story. Pradeep, what else can actually convince Pakistan? This is straight from the horse's mouth. The confession is very clear. He says that I am from Pakistan. I was trained in Muzaffarabad. And of course, a special training was given to me. Can Pakistan deny this confession?
Yes, you're absolutely right. The confession statement of this terrorist has exposed Pakistan's nefarious designs of trying to sabotage peace in Jammu and Kashmir. This holds significance, this statement, because it is going to help the investigators nail Pakistan lie, as Pakistan from time to time had been claiming that they are neither directly nor indirectly they are supporting the terror outfits operating on their soil. So they are always trying to paint the Kashmir insurgency as an indigenous movement. But after this confession statement, they are completely exposed, because this terrorist Bahadur Ali, who has crossed over from the Lipa Valley into North Kashmir 1.5 months back, he has said that he is from that Jai Bagga area of Raiwind Tehsil in Lahore of Pakistan, and he has undergone Dora-e-Aam and Dora-e-Khas training in Muzaffarabad before sneaking into this side of the border. He was operating as a divisional commander, and he was sent here with a task to once again revive terrorism in North Kashmir area, because during the last few months we have seen that it was the South Kashmir that had been hot. So the Lashkar-e-Toiba was trying to once again revive terror-related activity in North Kashmir. That was one of the reasons that they had pushed in Bahadur Ali into this side of the border. And he had been operating from the Handwara area, from where he was finally apprehended by the security agencies. Large quantities of arms and ammunition has also been recovered from his possession. He has earlier received one of the terror group, the second terror group he was about to receive while he was camping in Kalamabad area in Handwara. But before the terrorists could sneak into this side of the border, the security agencies got whiff of their presence, and finally, based on the geographical location, they cordoned that area, and all the 4 terrorists were gunned down, and Bilal Bahadur Ali was caught alive, and he is being interrogated right now. An NIA team has taken him on the 2 days transit remand to Delhi. He will be further questioned and interrogated. He seems to be a gold mine of information, because he had been a part of Lashkar-e-Toiba. He was here with a specific plan. He was sent by the 2611 mastermind Hafiz Saeed so that he can stoke trouble, instigate trouble. As already see the timing of his presence here in Kashmir Valley while the protests are going on, he already has revealed during the interrogation that they wanted that these protests should continue so that the attention of the security agencies get diverted and they can infiltrate more groups. He said that large number of terrorists are waiting across the Lipa Valley so that they can sneak into this other border. So this is really a big achievement for the security agencies and a big jolt for Pakistan as well as Lashkar-e-Toiba.